Hey everyone, Boondock Dwayne's RV show. Here's a quick tip for the new to RVing newbie. If you have a standard Suburban Furrion 6-gallon electric propane water heater, you can run both the electric and the propane at the same time. Of course, make sure you're hooked to a 110 source, shore power, or you can run it off if you have solar and inverter and lithium. You can run it off of that. Just watch your battery consumption. But at shower time, being able to run both of these at the same time makes your water faster, keeps your water hot longer, and it's a great way to get hot water really fast. I hope this tip helps. Everyone take care.